Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to reset your iPhone 13, the 13 Pro, the 13 Pro Max, and the 13 Plus. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue holding the lock button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see that, you can release your finger. It's that simple. Honestly, this method will clear up any problem that you have with your iPhone. Just gives it a nice reset. Click up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. And there you guys go, your phone's been resetted.